Hello, my name is Pat. I visited the Seapoint Clinic about a year ago. My teeth, I had false teeth, and I was really fed up with them. No comfort, they were coming loose. So someone advised me implants might be a good idea. I was very skeptical about visiting a dentist for implants. But when I visited the Seapoint Clinic, they put me at ease. The procedure started early in 2016, and I found it no problem at all, very comfortable, and the staff and all were very professional. I would recommend implants to anyone who are suffering with false teeth, and it isn't near as painful as people make out to be. I have to say my experience here at the Seapoint Clinic was excellent. The staff are really professional and extremely friendly.